Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the creamy, dreamy world of avocados. Whether you love them on toast, in a smoothie, or just straight out of the skin, avocados are packed with benefits that can boost your health in amazing ways. Stick around to find out how. First up, let's talk about why avocados are called a superfood. These green gems are not just delicious. They're loaded with nutrients that can make a big difference in your daily health. Avocados are rich in vitamins and minerals. They contain more potassium than bananas, tons of vitamin E, and are a great source of healthy fats. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy heart and lowering bad cholesterol levels. But wait, there's more. The healthy fats in avocados, especially monounsaturated fats, are known to be heart healthy. They help reduce inflammation and support your overall cardiovascular health. Avocados are also packed with fiber, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. One avocado has about 10 grams of fiber, which helps keep things moving smoothly in your gut. Here's a quick tip. Adding half an avocado to your morning smoothie can give you a great start to your day, keeping you full and satisfied longer. Ever heard of using avocado in your skincare routine? These fruits are full of antioxidants and vitamins that can nourish your skin and give you that healthy glow. Who knew that a fruit so tasty could also be a beauty secret? Applying an avocado mask can help moisturize and rejuvenate your skin. Alright, now, let's talk about how to easily incorporate avocados into your daily diet. You can slice them onto salads, mash them for guacamole, or blend them into smoothies. They're so versatile, so there you have it. Adding avocados to your daily diet can benefit your heart, digestion, skin, and so much more. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below with your favorite avocado recipes. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and tricks. See you next time.